Hey guys, Lindsey here, back with Weekly Whimsy. I'm going to keep it short and sweet this week because Thanksgiving is around the corner after all, but I have plenty of Web3 innovations to dive into, so let's jump in. Kicking things off with Discord, a big warm welcome to 4 new members who joined over this last week, pushing us over 3,793 members. It is so heartwarming to me to see our community continually grow, brimming with diverse knowledge and curiosity. Next up, powered by Pinata, this week I will be highlighting Spin Amp. In a world where Web3 music is blossoming across various platforms, Spin Amp stands out by unifying this dispersed content into a single, fluid listening experience. It's not just about collecting NFTs, but celebrating the artistry in music. Spin Amp's approach to blending the joy of discovering music with the thrill of collecting makes it a unique platform that truly values musicians as artists. Shifting gears over to product release, did you know about our new free plan? Revamped before our new usage-based pricing, it lets you enjoy key Pinata perks for free. More uploads, increased speeds, and even a dedicated gateway. And keep an eye out because we definitely have more coming to you in 2024, and I'm so excited to share them with you. And now for a slice of tech pie. Have you ever tried running IPFS on a Raspberry Pi? These nifty little devices are a playground for developers and tech enthusiasts. But did you know they're also perfect for powering a decentralized network like IPFS? Running IPFS nodes helps distribute content more widely, and a Raspberry Pi is ideal for this as it's low maintenance and doesn't hog your main computer's resources. Our new blog post will guide you through setting up IPFS on a Raspberry Pi, including how to upload files to IPFS using Pinata from it. It is such a fun project with a big impact. We've reached the end of our weekly Whimsy journey today, but if you enjoyed any of the content, please show some love by hitting those subscribe and like buttons down below. Until next time, happy pinning and enjoy your Thanksgiving to all my American friends. Bye guys!